Hey there, friend. I'm so glad you're here. Let's talk about that feeling at the end of a long day. The need for a quiet corner, a place to just breathe and let go. The world is loud, the to-do list is endless, and sometimes you just want a place to escape, even if it's only for a few precious minutes. It's not about a big house or a fancy library with endless shelves. It's about carving out a little piece, right where you are, in the space you already call home. Imagine your favorite book in hand, a comfy chair, soft light, and a warm blanket wrapped around you. The rest of the world fades away, and for a moment, it's just you and your story. This isn't a fantasy. You can create this, no matter your budget or the size of your home. Any space, no matter how small, can become your personal retreat, your own little sanctuary. It's about intention, making room for stories, for rest, and for a bit of magic in your everyday life. In our busy lives, that's powerful. It's a way to recharge, to reconnect with yourself, and to find calm in the chaos. This is more than decorating. It's building a habit of peace, a ritual you can return to again and again. A place to recharge and fill your mind with wonder, inspiration, and comfort. So, let's get started on this journey together. Don't worry if your space is small or cluttered, or if you don't know where to begin. Any corner can be transformed with a little vision, patience, and a touch of creativity. We'll find that forgotten spot and give it new purpose, turning it into something special just for you. We're turning it into the coziest reading nook you've ever seen, a place you'll look forward to visiting every day, a place where your favorite stories come to life and your imagination can wander free. Ready to roll up your sleeves and make it happen? Let's do this together, step by step. Your quiet corner is waiting for you to claim it. All it takes is heart, a bit of creativity, and the willingness to make space for yourself. Let's make your dream nook a reality, one cozy detail at a time. You deserve a space that feels like a warm hug at the end of every day. Let's begin this transformation together. First, let's find the right spot. This is the foundation of your cozy reading nook, so take your time and enjoy the process. Walk around your home and see it with fresh eyes. Imagine the possibilities in every corner, even those you usually pass by. Look for a corner you've overlooked, a spot by a window, a quiet bedroom nook, or even a wide hallway. Sometimes the best places are the ones you never considered before. The goal isn't square footage, it's a feeling of being tucked away. You want a space that feels like your own little hideaway, no matter how small. Move things around if you need to. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes a simple shift can reveal a whole new space. Sometimes the perfect spot is hidden behind unused furniture. Pull things away from the wall and see what's been hiding in plain sight. Shift a table or lamp and see what opens up. Even a small adjustment can make a big difference in how a space feels. Claim a little territory that feels like a destination. This is your invitation to create a spot that's just for you. A wall behind your chair helps create that snug, protected vibe. It gives you a sense of security and comfort, perfect for getting lost in a book. Once you find a spot, stand there for a moment, take a breath, and picture yourself unwinding there after a long day. Can you imagine yourself reading there? If you can see yourself curling up with a book, you're on the right track. If there's a window, that's a bonus. Natural light is a reader's best friend. Sunlight makes everything feel warmer and more inviting. But don't worry if there isn't. We'll handle lighting soon. There are plenty of ways to make your nook glow, even without a window. For now, just claim your corner. Add a personal touch, a favorite pillow, a soft throw, or a small plant. This is where the magic will happen. Soon, this spot will become your escape from the world. Your future happy place starts here. Every great reading nook begins with a single, intentional choice. Don't overthink it. Just pick a spot that feels right. Trust your gut and let your instincts guide you. Even a small area can become your sanctuary. Trust your instincts. The most important thing is that it feels like yours. The perfect nook is waiting to be discovered. It might be closer than you think. Let's move on to making it comfortable. This is where your vision starts to come to life. Your reading retreat is taking shape, one thoughtful step at a time. Now, let's talk about the chair, your reading throne. This is where your comfort journey truly begins, and it's more important than you might think. Comfort is key. You want a chair you can sink into for hours, one that almost hugs you back as you read, nap, or simply daydream. Skip the stiff, formal seats. Look for good back support and soft arms. The right chair should cradle your body, letting you unwind without a second thought. Don't rush to buy new. Check what you already have. Sometimes the perfect chair is hiding in plain sight, just waiting to be rediscovered. Maybe there's a forgotten chair in another room, or a thrift store gem waiting for a new life. Vintage pieces often have more character and charm than anything brand new. A chair with character can be transformed with a cushion or slipcover. Don't be afraid to get creative. Mix textures, colors, and patterns to make it truly yours. If space is tight, try an oversized beanbag or a stack of floor pillows. These options are flexible, fun, and can be easily moved around as your needs change. Add a cushion for back support and create a relaxed vibe. Layering soft throws or blankets can make any seat feel extra inviting. The goal, a spot where your body can truly relax. Measure your space before choosing so your chair fits perfectly and doesn't crowd the room. The chair should feel generous but not overwhelm the room. It's the anchor of your nook, the heart of your retreat, where you'll want to return again and again. Take your time to find the one that calls you to sit, breathe, and read. Remember, comfort and style go hand in hand, and your chair should reflect your personality. Your chair sets the tone for the whole nook. Make it inviting, make it warm, and let it welcome you every time you walk by. Make it yours. The right chair makes all the difference. Let's get cozy, and let your reading nook become your favorite place to unwind. Next up, lighting. Good lighting is essential for reading and for setting the mood. If you have a window, use that natural sunlight. For evenings, a warm, soft lamp is perfect. Floor lamps with adjustable arms are great for small spaces. Choose bulbs labeled soft white or warm white for a cozy glow. A small table lamp works if you have a side table. Fabric shades diffuse light beautifully. Wall-mounted sconces are perfect for tight spaces. Add a string of fairy lights for a magical touch. They won't light your book, but they'll make your nook feel special. Layer your lighting for both function and ambiance. The right light transforms your corner into a haven. Make it warm. Make it inviting. Now your nook is ready for late-night adventures. Now, let's add the cozy factor. Blankets and pillows are what make your nook irresistible. Choose a throw blanket that feels amazing, chunky knit, fleece, or faux fur. Drape it over your chair or keep it in a basket nearby. Pillows add comfort and style. Mix colors, patterns, and textures. One for back support, another to hug while you read. Don't be afraid to show your personality here. Underfoot, a small, soft rug defines your nook and adds warmth. Even a bath mat or sheepskin works. Layers of comfort make your nook a true retreat. It's about creating a space you never want to leave. Every detail adds to the experience. Surround yourself with softness. Your nook should feel like a warm embrace. Comfort is the secret ingredient. Make it plush. Make it personal. Now, let's give your books a home. Every reading nook needs books within reach. Use a narrow vertical bookshelf or book tower to save space. Tuck it right next to your chair for easy access. No room for a shelf? Try floating shelves above or beside your chair. They keep books off the floor and add style. A basket or crate on the floor works too. Simple and charming. Keep your current reads and favorites close by. Your book storage can be both practical and beautiful. Let your collection become part of the decor. The goal, grab a book anytime. No excuses. Smart storage keeps your nook tidy and inviting. Now let's make it truly yours. Your Nook should reflect you. Add personal touches that make you smile. Hang art, a favorite photo, or a framed quote on the wall. Even a child's drawing can add warmth. A small side table is perfect for your mug, a candle, or a special trinket. Choose a scent you love, lavender, sandalwood, or something that relaxes you. Add a souvenir, a pretty rock, or a dish for your bookmark. Don't clutter, just a few meaningful items. These details tell your story. Your Nook becomes a curated collection of your favorite things. It's a space for joy and inspiration. Make it a place you love to be. Every item should feel special. This is your signature touch. Now let's add a little life. Plants bring life and calm to your Nook. Even one small plant can make a big difference. Try easy care options like a snake plant or pothos. Place it on a shelf, side table, or even a stack of books. If you have space, a larger plant adds drama. No green thumb? Faux plants look great too. Real or fake, a touch of green connects you to nature. It adds vibrancy and peace. Plants are the finishing touch. They breathe life into your retreat. Now, your Nook is complete. You did it. You transformed a forgotten corner into a sanctuary. It's more than a chair and a lamp. It's a statement that you deserve peace. This Nook is your escape from the noise. Make it part of your daily routine, 15 minutes in the morning, or a half hour before bed. Here, you can get lost in stories, learn, and dream. Your Nook will comfort you on tough days and celebrate with you on good ones. It's a tool for self-care, lowering stress and boosting happiness. A reminder to slow down and savor the simple joy of reading. Sit back and enjoy what you've created. This cozy corner is proof you don't need a big house to build a life you love. All it takes is a little space, vision, and heart. Grab a book. Your adventure is waiting. You have the perfect place to begin. Let your Nook be your daily retreat. Celebrate your creativity and commitment to yourself. You've built a haven for peace and joy. Now, enjoy every moment in your special corner. Happy reading.